Namaste, I'm JV Dr. Sapna Gehlot and my session is on diplomacy. And this we have going to discuss about diplomacy, meaning, definition, nature, feature, objective and all now. So, what is diplomacy? Diplomacy is a basic means by which a nation seeks to secure the goal of its national interest. Diplomacy is the art of negotiation and conduct of foreign relations. It is the key instrument for implementing the foreign policy of the nation. According to Morgenthau, diplomacy is the promotion of the national interest by peaceful means. What is the nature of diplomacy? Here we are going to discuss about the nature of diplomacy. The first one is it is a technique of implementing the foreign policy. Diplomacy is a channel or a business of communicating between governments. It is a method of adjusting and managing interstate relations. It is the art of forwarding nation interest. It is a quality or skill of international negotiations. It is a bargaining game aiming at achieving maximum and giving minimum. It requires tact, intelligence, shrewdness, and wit. It implies both compromise and threat persuasions and penalty reward and punishment carrot and stick and so on. It is a workable and useful both in peace and war. For successful and effective working, it requires trained and the professional diplomats. Now, features of diplomacy. First of all, we can say that diplomacy is not immoral. Diplomacy is a normal means of conducting relation. It consists of the techniques and procedure for conducting relations among nations. Diplomacy is recognized as official machinery for the conduct of relation among nations. Diplomacy works according to definite and settled procedure and protocol. Diplomacy is commonly bilateral in character. It is concerned with all the issues and problems among nations. Diplomacy handles all types of matters from the simplest issue to vital issues to that of war and peace. When diplomacy breaks down, the danger of war or at least a major crisis develops. Diplomacy operates both in time of peace as well as war. Diplomacy works in an environment characterized both by conflict and cooperation. Diplomacy always works for securing national interest. A strong diplomacy means a diplomacy backed by a strong national power. Diplomacy uses persuasion and influence as a means for exercising power in international relations. Success of diplomacy is measured in terms of the amount of success achieved towards the fulfillment of the goals of national interest in international relations. So, now what is the objective of diplomacy? There are two types of objective of diplomacy. The first is a political objective and the second one is a non-political objective. Political objective means political diplomacy always work to secure the goals of national interest as defined by the foreign policy. It uses persuasions, promises of rewards and other such means of this purpose. It seeks to promote friendship and cooperation with the nations. And the second is a non-political objective of diplomacy. In this, each nation depends upon others for economic and industrial links and trade. Diplomacy depends upon peaceful means persuasion methods for promoting the interest of the nation, and this is indeed of an important non-political objective of diplomacy.